Welcome back to EdLearn. The human brain is a remarkable organ. It's the control center of our bodies, thoughts, and emotions. Imagine a vast network of billions of tiny cells all working together. This is your brain, a complex and fascinating world within us. Scientists are constantly learning more about how the brain works. It's responsible for everything we do, from breathing to solving complex problems. Understanding the brain helps us understand ourselves and our place in the world. The brain is made up of special cells called neurons. These neurons are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system, responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, for sending motor commands to our muscles, and for transforming and relaying the electrical signals at every step in between. Neurons are like tiny messengers that carry electrical signals throughout the brain. These electrical signals, or impulses, are crucial for everything we do, from simple reflexes to complex thoughts and emotions. Without these signals, our brain wouldn't be able to function properly. They communicate with each other through connections called synapses. Synapses are the points where neurons connect and transmit signals to each other. This communication is essential for the brain's ability to process information and respond to the environment. Think of synapses like bridges connecting different parts of the brain. These bridges allow for the transfer of information from one neuron to another, creating a vast network of communication pathways that enable our brain to perform its complex functions. When a neuron sends a signal, it travels down its long fiber called an axon. The axon acts like a highway, guiding the electrical signal from the neuron's cell body to its axon terminals. At the end of the axon, the signal jumps across the synapse to another neuron. This jump is facilitated by chemicals called neurotransmitters, which carry the signal across the synaptic gap. This is how information is shared within the brain. The intricate network of neurons and synapses ensures that our brain can process and respond to the vast amount of information it receives every second. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that help neurons communicate. When an electrical signal reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of neurotransmitters into the synapse. These neurotransmitters then bind to receptors on the next neuron, like keys fitting into locks. This binding process can either excite or inhibit the next neuron, influencing whether it will fire a signal. Different neurotransmitters have different effects on our mood, behavior, and bodily functions. Section 4. Mapping the mind, exploring brain regions. The brain is divided into different regions, each with its own specific functions. These regions work in harmony to process information, control movements, and regulate emotions. Understanding these regions helps us appreciate the complexity of the human brain. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, responsible for thinking, learning, and memory. It is divided into two hemispheres, each controlling the opposite side of the body. The cerebrum also plays a key role in our ability to plan, reason, and perceive the world around us. The cerebellum controls balance and coordination. It ensures that our movements are smooth and precise. This region is crucial for activities that require fine motor skills, such as playing a musical instrument or engaging in sports. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord and controls vital functions like breathing and heart rate. It acts as a relay center, transmitting signals between the brain and the rest of the body. Without the brainstem, basic life functions would be impossible. Each region plays a crucial role in our daily lives, working together seamlessly to keep us functioning. From the simplest tasks to the most complex thoughts, the brain's regions collaborate to make everything we do possible. Understanding this intricate system can help us better appreciate the marvel that is the human brain. Section 5. The ever-changing brain, plasticity, and its significance. The amazing thing about the brain is its ability to change and adapt throughout our lives. This remarkable feature is known as brain plasticity or neuroplasticity. It refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This is called brain plasticity. It is a fundamental property of the brain that allows it to adapt to new information, sensory experiences, development, damage, or dysfunction. When we learn new things or experience new events, our brains create new connections between neurons. These connections are the basis of our ability to learn and remember. This means our brains are constantly rewiring themselves based on our experiences. Every new skill we acquire, every memory we form, and every piece of knowledge we gain contributes to this ongoing process of brain adaptation. Brain plasticity is essential for learning, memory, and recovery from injury. It plays a crucial role in how we adapt to changes in our environment and how we recover from brain injuries. It allows us to adapt to new situations and grow throughout our lives. Whether it's learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or recovering from a stroke, brain plasticity is at the heart of our ability to change and improve.